खुदा बड़ा है। अशहदु अन ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, I bear witness that there is no God except Allah, except one God. मैं गवाह देता हूँ, मैं गवाही देता हूँ कि एक खुदा के सिवा कोई और खुदा नहीं। That Muhammad is a messenger of God. I bear witness that Muhammad is a messenger of God. मैं गवाही देता हूँ कि मोहम्मद अल्लाह का एक नबी है, अल्लाह का एक रसूल है। हय्या अलस सलाह, hurry to the prayer, rush towards the prayer.
الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين الله أكبر।
बेंगलुरु के बुद्ध आश्रम में मुसलमानों ने न सिर्फ इफ्तार किया बल्कि अजान भी दी और नमाज भी अदा की और कुरान पाक की तिलावत भी की गई। जी हाँ नाजरीन, बुद्ध भाइयों ने मुसलमानों को बेंगलुरु में अपने एक बड़े मंदिर में इफ्तार की दावत दी और मंदिर में ही अजान देकर नमाज अदा करने की इजाज़त भी। मंदिर में इज्तिमाई दुआ का भी एहतमाम किया गया। मुसलमान भाइयों ने भी अपने मेज़बान बुद्ध भाइयों के लिए इफ्तार का इंतज़ाम किया। बुद्ध राहिब ये जानने के ख्वाहां थे कि मुसलमान अपनी मसाजिद में किस तरह की इबादत किया करते हैं। वो इस्लाम के तरीक़ों के बारे में भी जानना चाहते थे। अजान, लाउड स्पीकर और दीगर मसाइल के चलते जहाँ फ़िरक़ा वाराना तसादुम और तनाज़ात के परेशान कुन वाक़यात आए दिन का मामूल बन चुके हैं, ऐसे में बुद्ध मत के पंडित ने एक खूबसूरत तक़रीब के इनेक़ाद पर खुशी का इजहार किया, जिसमें पुरअमन हम आहंगी का माहौल बनाने की कोशिश की गई।
Today's program is a very wonderful harmony program. Anything that is based on love and sharing and brotherlyhood and like that, it is a great blessing for the society. If we have anger, hatred in our mind, that is what reflects outside. If we have love and compassion, that is what reflects outside. So ultimately, everybody is responsible for the peace and happiness in the society. Society is made up of individuals. Society itself doesn't exist, but individuals exist. So every individual must have this loving kindness, tolerance and compassion and respect for each other. You live and let others live. If that becomes the basis for the society, that will be a harmonious, peaceful society.
Okay. What is Islam according to you?
What I understood from today's talk and also from some other talks and other studies, there is a very what you say, this भाईचारा जो करता है, so that is what is done, that is what is taught, I think. Islam, what I see is they believe in God, the ultimate one God, and everything has to be done in accordance with that God's commandments and wish, and to satisfy the God. And in doing that, the God has laid down certain rules and way of life. So that is what is Islam, as I understand.
This is an effort to build interfaith relationships in this holy month of Ramadan, an attempt to overcome the environment of hatred that has been created in social media and everything. So I think we need to build bridges, make common ground of humanity, of moral values, and everything that we believe in. I don't think there's much difference there. And then a good mahol of dialogue, discussion, trying to understand each other. I think that's the spirit in which all human beings should live, and that's the spirit in which everybody is responding. It's so beautiful. The Buddhist Swamiji was so welcome, so polite, so nice. They saw us pray, we saw them pray. I think it was a beautiful event and a good effort at nation building, maintaining the diversity, the cultural diversity, and preserving the religious diversity of this nation. I think it's a very, very happy thing that happened today. It was a very healthy interaction of ideas. A lot of student monks were there, and they asked the right questions. And it was a very healthy discussion in a healthy environment. They asked some very interesting question on what this world is. Is it a world of suffering? And we countered and we told them we believe that this world is a place of testing. And so it was asked, if it was testing, why doesn't God stop bad things from happening? So the answer was that in a test, the teacher is not supposed to correct you. The principal will not come and correct you. It is to find out who is good and who is bad, who stands by the values that you claim to. So those kind of clarifications and this thing are very pleasing to the heart, and people did express such views subsequently.